It's Max!
Hi friends, in this video let me share an interesting addition trick to you. So here are some questions. Actually, if you want to solve this type of problems, that is if you want to add 100 consecutive numbers or 1000 consecutive numbers, it's not necessary to apply formula or to do manual addition. There is one trick. If you know that trick, we can solve this within few seconds. So already we have uploaded a video in this channel recording sum of 10 consecutive numbers. Those who have not seen that video, just watch the link given in the description box below. So the same trick only we are going to follow for these type of problems with a little bit modifications. So we will see what's the changes while solving the problem. First let us solve one problem. So here is one question. The question is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100. That is, we are going to add 100 consecutive numbers starting from 1. So we can solve the problem by using the formula. One of the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, or we can use another formula n by 2 into a plus l, where n is equal to number of terms, a is equal to first term and l is equal to last term respectively. So if we apply n is equal to 100, because the number of terms is 100 in this sum, so in the first formula we will get 100 into 101 by 2. Now let us apply the values in the second formula. So if we apply, we will get n is equal to 100 since the number of terms is 100, and a is equal to 1 because the first term in the series is 1, and l is equal to 100 since the last term is 100. So if we apply n is equal to 100, a is equal to 1 and l is equal to 100, we will get the same result only, 100 into 101 by 2. So the final answer would be 5050. So this is the normal formula method we use while solving this type of problems. But we can solve the same problem in a tricky manner also. Come, let's see the trick. So this is the same problem what we have seen before. So if you want to solve this problem in a tricky way, the first trick what we have to follow is just note the 50th term in the series. So in this series, it's very easy to find the 50th term. It's only 50. Then insert another 50 at the end. So the answer would be 5050. It's the same answer what we have got while using the formula method also. So let me repeat it again. If we want to add 100 consecutive numbers, just note down the 50th term in the series and insert another 50 at the end. Then we will get the final answer. Let us solve 2 or more problems. Then we will get a clear idea. So here is one question. The question is 345 plus 346 plus 347 up to 444. Here we are having 100 consecutive numbers because the question starts from 345 and ends in 444. So if you want to solve this problem in a tricky way, we have to first note down the 50th term in the series. So if you want to calculate the 50th term in the series, it's not possible to count the 50th number. It will take more time. So instead of counting the number, we can calculate the 50th term by adding the number 49 with the first term. That is, if we add the number 49 with the first term, it automatically means it is the 50th term in the series. So if we add 49 with 345, we will get 394. Next, insert another 50 at the end. So the final answer would be 39,450. So while solving addition of 100 consecutive numbers, in order to find a 50th term, we can find by adding the first term with 49. Next, insert another 50 at the end. Then we will get the final answer. So we can solve another problem in this type. So here is one question. The question is 6789 plus 6790 up to 6888. That is, we are going to add 100 consecutive numbers. So if we apply this trick, we have to find the 50th term in this series. So if you want to find the 50th term, we shall add the first term with 49. So if we add 6789 with 49, we will get 6838. Next, insert another 50 at the end. So the final answer would be 6,83,850. I hope you have understood the trick how to solve the addition of 100 consecutive numbers in an easy manner. So now let us see how to add 1000 consecutive numbers using the tricky way. The same trick only we are going to follow with a little bit modification. Let us see the changes too. First, let us solve one problem. So here we are having one problem. The question is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 1000. That is, we are going to add 1000 consecutive numbers starting from 1. So we can apply the trick directly. So the trick is that we have to find the 500th term in the series. In case of 100 consecutive numbers, we had found the 50th term in the series, but here we have to find the 500th term in the series. So in this series, it's very easy to find the 500th term. It is only 500. Next, insert another 500 at the end. Then we will get the final answer. So the final answer will be 5 lakh and 500. So let me repeat it once again. If we want to add 1000 consecutive numbers, we have to find the 500th term in the series and insert another 500 at the end. Then we will get the final answer. So let us solve another problem in this type. So here is one question. The question is that we have to add 7890, 7891 up to 8889. That is, we are having 1000 consecutive numbers and we are going to add that number. So if we apply the trick, we are supposed to find the 500th term in this series. So in this series, it's not quite easy to find the 500th term, but we can easily find by adding the first term with 499. So if we add the first term with 499, we will get the 500th term only. So if we add, we will get 8389. Then insert another 500 at the end. So if we insert another 500, the final answer would be 83,89,500. So if we solve this type of problems using the formula method, it will take some time, but once if we know the trick, we can crack very quickly. Next, let us recollect everything. To sum up, we shall say, if you want to add 10 consecutive numbers, we are supposed to find the 5th term in the series and insert 5 at the end. If we want to add 100 consecutive numbers, we are supposed to find the 50th term in the series and insert another 50 at the end. And finally, if we want to add 1000 consecutive numbers, we are supposed to find the 500th term in the series and insert another 500 at the end. So next, let us solve one problem in each category. Then there will be no confusion. We will get clear idea. So the first question is that 241 plus 242 up to 250. That is, we are going to add 10 consecutive numbers. If you want to apply the trick, we are supposed to find the 5th term in the series. So the 5th term in this series is 245 and insert another 5 at the end. So the final answer would be 2455. Next, let us solve another problem. So the question is 472 plus 473 up to 571. Here we are having 100 consecutive numbers. We are going to add that. So if you want to apply the trick, we are supposed to find the 50th term in the series. So in order to find the 50th term, we are supposed to add the first term with 49. So if we add 472 with 49, we will get 521. Then insert another 50 at the end. So the final answer would be 52,150. So finally, let us solve one problem. The question is 2345 plus 2346 up to 3344. So here we are going to add 1000 consecutive numbers. So if you want to apply the trick, we are supposed to find the 500th term in the series. In order to find the 500th term, we are supposed to add the first term with 499. So if we add 2345 with 499, we will get 2844 and insert another 500 at the end. So the final answer would be 28,44,500. I hope you would have understood the tricks what we have learned in this video. It's a very easy trick and a useful trick too. This type of tricks will be very helpful in competitive exams. Practicing these type of tricks will increase your calculation speed. So if you like this video, press the like button, share to your friends, subscribe our channel Tricky Tips Maths. And if you want to receive notifications whenever I am posting the video, press the bell icon. Thank you.